Hi there, my name's Graeme and I work for North Ayrshire Council Ranger Service, and today on a lovely warm day like this we're going to look at how to use a disposable barbecue safely and responsibly. In Ayrshire we are so lucky to have fantastic green space pretty much on our doorsteps, but it's up to every single one of us to help look after that. We've had some of these absolutely fantastic barbecue stands installed across the park and a few plates installed on top of the picnic benches as well, thanks to Nature Scott's Better Places Fund. Basically these are designed to accommodate disposable barbecues, which are actually a cause of a lot of wildfires and a lot of damage caused in wild spaces, but also because they're not recyclable, they end up in the household waste, and because quite often they're still warm, can be a major cause of house fires. This basically means that disposable barbecues are a prominent cause of summertime fires. So here's our top 5 tips to barbecue safely. Never put the hot embers into a bin unless it's specifically designed like our barbecue stands. For household bins, it's always worth remembering that the embers in the barbecue can take anything up to a couple of hours to cool down, so always give your barbecue, whether it's disposable or otherwise, enough time to cool down completely. Always take special care when you are barbecuing and never ever leave your barbecue unattended, especially when you're in the countryside. Disposable barbecues get really hot underneath on the base, so never ever use them on the ground or on any structure that could be damaged by high temperatures. If you're going to use a disposable barbecue, always use it in a specially designated area or place, such as barbecue plates on some of our picnic benches at Eglinton Park.